I hope all my students are doing very well. In this particular class, we are going to discuss our Unit 2 More Features of Microsoft Office 2010. This video is for class 7 for subject of Computer Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 2. Page that we are going to cover over here is page number 20 till page number 25. Our objective of this lesson is, after this lesson, student will be able to merge and split cell. They will also be able to move and resize table. They will also be able to change row height and column width. They will also be able to apply table styles. So let's start our lesson. Our first topic is that is given on your book, page number 19. Go to your book, page number 19. Over here you can see how to merge and split cell. What is basically merge mean? Merging mean combining two or more cells into single cell. When we combine two or more cells together and make one cell, it's called merge a cell. You can also merge two and more rows in a single row. In a similar way, two or more columns can also be merged and make a single column. Here we are going to discuss how you can merge a cell in Microsoft Office 2010. All you have to do is you have to insert a table that we already done in our previous lesson. Click on Layout tab, then click on Merge Cell button. Splitting cells. Splitting means dividing a cell into multiple cells. In splitting, we divide a single cell into multiple cells. It's reverts to merging process. In merging, we merge two or more cells into one cell, while in splitting, we split a cell into multiple cells. How to do splitting in Microsoft Office 2010? In Microsoft Office, all you have to do is you have to select your table, go to Layout tab, click on Split Cell option from Merge Group, click number of columns you want and number of rows you want, and click on OK. Your cell will get split. Now I am going to show you how you can merge and split cells. All you have to do is you have to select the cell that you want to merge. Select the cell, go to Layout, then go to Merge. Over here we have Merge Cell option, Split Cell and Split Table option. I am going to use Merge Cell option. That's how simply you can merge cells in Microsoft Office. Now I am going to split these cells. Select the cell, go on Layout, then go on Split Cell option. I am going to split it in number. You can select number of columns in which you want to split. You can increase your number. In a similar way, you can select number of rows in which you want to split it. I am going to select 2 rows and 2. You have to tick this merge cell before split. Okay. That's how you got 2 columns and 2 rows. Go to page number 21. Over here we have a topic how to move and resize a table. In Microsoft Office, you can easily move a table. All you have to do is you have to click on the table. You will notice a small plus sign on the left hand side of at the top corner. This plus sign is known as table move handle. With the help of this table move handle, you can easily move your table by simply using left mouse button and drag option. You have to hold your left mouse button and drag it and place it where you want to move your table. Okay students, now I am going to show you how you can move your table. When you insert your table, all you have to do is you have to click on top left corner of your table. Over here you can see a plus sign. This is known as table move handle. Place the mouse pointer over here. Simply drag it by using left mouse option and drop it where you want to place it. That's how simply you can move your table. Click on it, drag it and drop it. That's how simply a table got moved. Now I am going to place it back. Click it by holding your left mouse option and drop it. That's how you can move a table easily. Now student, let's see how we can resize a table in Microsoft Office 2010. To resize a table, we have to follow these steps. Click on the table. You will notice a small square at the bottom. As you can see, a resize icon that I have pointed over here. With the help of this resize icon, you can change size of your table. You have to place your cursor over here and simply you have to drag it and you can change size of your table. You can increase the size as well as you can decrease the size. Let's do it more practically so you can have clear image how to resize a table. Okay student, now I am going to show you how you can resize a table. Over here we have our table. All you have to do is you have to place your cursor at the bottom of the table. Over here you can see a small square that is known as table resize handle. When you place our cursor over here, you see two-sided arrow over here. With the help of this table resize handle, you can change size of your table to your desired size. All you have to do is you have to place your finger on left mouse button and simply drag it. You can see size is getting increased. That's how you can achieve your desired size. You can get it smaller also. Move it inward. When you move it outward, the size will get increased. With the help of this table resize handle, you can resize your table. Now I am going to show you how to change row height and column width. To change row height, select a table, click on Layout tab, click on Properties from Table Group. Table Properties dialog box will appear. Specify the height of the row that you want and click on OK. Okay student, now I am going to show you how to change row height. All you have to do is you have to insert a table, select the row from the table whose height you want to change. For example, I want to change height of this row. I am going to select it. Click on Layout tab, Over here you can see a table group. Click on properties, go to row, specify height. Here you can select height you want to increase in your table. I am going to include 1.4 cm height. Click on OK. You can see height is increased. That's how you can change row height. See it again. Select the row, go to layout. Over here in table group, go to properties, click on row. See, click on row, specify height, select the height, click on OK. That's how height of the row will get increased. Now I am going to show you how to change column width. Let's see how to change column width. We have to follow the same procedure that we have followed to change row height. All we have to do is we have to select the column. Over here I have selected a column, name column, go to layout, go to table group. Over here you can see properties, click on this properties. Now go to column, select preferred width. Now click on upper arrow to increase width and down arrow to decrease it. I am going to increase it. Okay. You can change its measurement in centimeter and percent also. I am going to change centimeters. Click on OK. You can see width got increase. Now I am going to repeat it again. Select your column, go to layout, click on properties. Now I am going to increase more width. Click on OK. Now you can see width got more increase. That's how. Microsoft Office 2010 also provide you a feature to change table style. You can change color, look and design of your table by using this feature. Let's see how it works. Now students, let's see how you can change table styles. You can change the color, look and design of the table by using table styles. It makes your table more attractive. Over here I have a simple table. I am going to change its style. All I am going to do is I am going to select this table. Now I am going to move on design tab. Click on design tab. Click more button over here that you can see at the bottom. Click on this. A gallery will appear. Choose and click any style you want to apply in your table. For example, I want to apply this style. You can see over here the style is getting changed. If I am going to apply this, simply I am going to select it and click on it. You can see how style of the table got changed. At the end, there is a small home assignment for you. All you have to do is you have to answer the following question. Question number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to write down their answers. You also have to fill the blanks and MCQs that are related with this topic. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.